Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use banana drops. As you can see, we are on their official website. Here you can see the $49 per bottle that is limited time offer. It's like asking you to buy right now. We have here the new version, which is 99.9% accurate, and the old version, which is just 59% accurate. So, before anything else, Banana Drops formula is a natural liquid supplement designed to help you with weight management. It contains a mix of natural ingredients like these that are listed right here, and I'm gonna just skip it. As you can see, it is FDA approved or made in an FDA registered facility, 100% natural ingredients made in the USA and such. So the customers rated 5 stars based on 95,000 reviews. So the question is how to use banana drops. So if you scroll all the way down right here, you can see the banana drops ingredients. So not that. We're still gonna go ahead and scroll. So there. So the banana drops frequently asked questions. You can see here how to use this supplement. So it is said right here that it can be taken directly by placing a dropper under the tongue or mixed it with water. It must be taken in the morning on an empty stomach, and to guarantee best results, you must wait 3 hours until the first meal. But keep in mind that banana drops has some negative comments that it is a scam or it is ineffective. So the best thing that you're going to do is to do your research first, like look for its legitimacy, whether it's a scam or whatever, and then go to your healthcare provider and ask whether you're allowed or should you be drinking banana drops. And that's it for this video. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.